Hey guys, Cat 72. Want to go over today on part 3 of the Mongoose Dolomite upgrades. And as you can see before you, these are all the parts that I've already purchased. They're all aluminum, except for the bottom bracket. Obviously, it's not aluminum. I couldn't find a hollow, so we're going to go ahead and just go with a standard. And I'll show you here in a minute everything I've decided to go with the upgrades on. And then as you can see behind me, this is the end result of the Dolomite. Let me give you a closer walk around. All right guys, we'll start off with the bike. So as you can see, that's the finished product. Again, that was called White Sand Rust-Oleum 2X. And as you can see, I think it's just a better color combination with the red rims. And then since I went with red trim on the replacement parts, I think it's going to come out pretty nice. Everything, like I said, is aluminum except for the fact of the bottom bracket. I'm going to go with a hollow, but I couldn't find one in stock at this, before making this video. So what I'll probably do is in the future replace that, but for now I'm okay with that. I'm also going to include, guys, some photos of the weight of each individual component, and I did the math, and it all turns out that the Dolomite weighed 50 pounds roughly, and I eliminated 7 pounds of dead weight replacing with these parts. Now I could still drop it a little further if I go with a hollow bracket, and also if I wanted to probably go with some carbon fiber forks, but I'm pretty content with the weight that it is now. Like I said, I dropped it was at 50 pounds, I dropped 7 pounds, so it put me at 43 pounds. Keep in mind, like I keep mentioning, it's a fat bike, so you're not going to be able to get it dramatically lighter unless of course you start dishing out a lot more money for carbon fiber parts and whatnot. But anyway guys, this is part 3. We're going to put it all together. We're going to see what the end result looks like. I think it's going to look pretty awesome. Yeah, so real quick, just as you can see, I went with some red colored handlebars, aluminum, seat post, seat. This is a lot better than the original. The original wasn't that bad, but this is a lot lighter, and as you can see, it's got real nice foam cushioning for a smoother, better ride. I did upgrade the shifter. This is the one we're going to go with. I got some pedals, the bottom bracket, crankset, all aluminum, and then some new grips. So like I said, I'll put some videos, like I said, I'm sorry, some photos of what each individual component weighed, just so you can get an idea. But for now, guys, I'm going to go ahead and do time lapse again. We're going to just reassemble the bike with all its new parts, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, guys. Okay guys, that's it for the Mongoose Dolomite. This is the end result. Got everything adjusted, redid the brakes, paint job, couple of lighter components. Like I said, it went from a 50-pound bike to a 43-pound bike, so I think that's pretty good, pretty decent. But that's the end result. Looks pretty awesome. Like I said, I went in and replaced the shifters. These shift a lot more smoothly. And also, I forgot to mention, I also replaced the rear gear wheel set. I went ahead and got the Shimano, I think this was called the Mega, I think it was called the Mega gear, but either way, the model's an MF TZ500-7, in case y'all are interested. All right guys, appreciate you hanging in there. One last little touch up is a Mongoose decal that I've got on order. Should be here on October the 6th, so a couple of more days. All right guys, I'll finish off with just a couple of close-up video. All right guys, Cat 72, peace out.